Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Classes. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Google Chrome crashing issue. When you are working in the Google Chrome, suddenly it will closes. After that, when you try to open it from the desktop shortcut, it will not open. That time, you can fix it by simple method. Let's start. First, we have to open this PC on your desktop. Double click on that. Inside this PC, local disk C drive we have to open. Double click on that. Inside the C drive, locate the program files folder and open it. Inside the program files, Google folder we have to open. Open the Chrome, then application folder. Inside the application folder, Chrome application is available. We have to rename this Chrome application. To rename, right click on that, click on show more options. In the show more options, select the rename. Just rename the Chrome to Chrome 1 and press the enter key. After renaming, we have to create a shortcut on desktop. To create a shortcut, right click again, select show more options, go to send to desktop. It will create a shortcut on desktop. Create it. After that, close this window. After creating the shortcut, need to restart the system once. After restarting, you can check if your Chrome is working. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.